Okay. So, good morning. My name is Isabella Patrono. I'm the product manager for the programmable controller for HVAC in Danfoss. Today, I would like to present you Alsmart platform that we are also launching here at Chidbenta. At Danfoss, we believe mainly that trends are also opportunity to improve our life and also our world. Climate changes is here, it's an immediate risk. So the rapid emission reduction is necessary. The aim of Danfoss in this is to provide technology that can increase efficiency on the system and also enabling electrification. And this pass through also the shares of renewables in the energy mix. The digitalization is also increased the functionality in our system, but on the other hand, gives us the opportunity to further decarbonize our plants. Danfoss solution in terms of softwares and also can drive in the rapid change on the energy system, increase the machine productivities, and ensure that the energy is used when it is greater and also cheapest. Also, we need to remember that cities account more than 70% of the global carbon emission, and reducing the carbon footprint is a third range of technology is a must that we need to target, especially when we are talking about cities, heating and cooling system, wastewater, and also data centers. Considering this, we would like to talk about what is the electronics role in this scenario. Mainly, electronics controllers are mostly seen as device that coordinates components in system and unit, but in reality can be more than this, especially if we consider that the growth of the digital services. Electronic can play a different role at several levels. For example, the starting point is the optimization of the efficiency, but also the facilitation of the integration when you are talking about digital environment, and also grant the reliability of your unit and system, and ensure that they are flexible and sustaining along the product lifetime. Integration smoothly in digital ecosystems, so it's a key role, and we need to ensure that it's happening across the application and also the utilities in the plants. So it comes that a mainstream in the electronic controllers is to grant this integration as fast as we could, and with the best technology on the market. For this reason, Danfoss has developed the Alsmart platform. Is a universal programmable controller, but we are talking about it more as an ecosystem. The main element on the hardware point of view are the advanced base controller, the I/O modules, and also the display. To complete this, we are also offering on the software side the Alsmart Design and the Alsmart Service Tool. This range is a compact system and it suits the HVAC market, so we are talking about chillers, rooftop, data center unit, but also air handling unit. These are equipped with the latest technology, so it grants you the optimal integration and the maximum efficiency on the unit. The controllers are available in different variances, and this is the same for the expansion modules. And this is to fit different needs, from the very high-end product to the more cost-effective solution. Comes with this, we have mentioned Alsmart Design, that is the backbone of the application development, and the gateway when you would like to configure and make it your system very flexible and usable based on the application. But what are the pillars behind this platform? There are three of main: the connectivity, the flexibility, and the reliability. Alsmart can be able, in fact, to easily integrate with smart building technology, IoT device, and also this pass through monitoring and control of the systems. This allows also convenience in managing HVAC system instead, and is crucial to operate in a support with open and standard protocols in it, and also enable direct connection to cloud. When we talk about instead flexibility, we can have two aims on this. One is on the software side, so grant the capability to use an intuitive system to build the application, and also on the hardware side, granted to be modular when you would like to connect your components together and you would like to go from a very basic system to a very complex one, and saving cost when you are building it. On the other side, the last point is the reliability. We would like to ensure long operation lifetime with also minimum downtime, and operate also under very load and very harsh conditions. So these are the basics that we use found our platform. To become more tangible on these, we have 3 elements that we would like to talk about: the libraries and the application mainly. Here is when we would like to exploit and also resume and condense all the Danfoss know-how, providing to the customer libraries and application easy to use and integrate in their system, and to make the best configuration of the unit itself. Then there is the modular hardware concept. This is a game changer in the market, because with a few part numbers, you can easily compose your system and rearrange them to build up these panels and also units that are coming from small to very big. Last but not least, we need to mention the software part. Alsmart Design, as said, is the big milestone on the software, where you can start programming, debugging your software, and is granted a smooth integration in your company, as is providing 5 different languages to support all the developers to start building the application as fast as they could. On the other side, we have also the service tool that is embedded on the controller and allows you to monitor and control the systems that are connected to the network. Also, the service tools provide different capabilities. You can have multiple dashboards with customizable widget. You can check about the alarms. You can check about the events on the unit. You can also set up the parameters and directly backup and restore the application in your system. But to go deeper, we would like to have a big picture of which are all the functionality available in our controller. As mentioned before, flexible concept is the key. We can, in fact, connect more than 20 expansions to the main board with a special module to supply also the expansion in the system. There are available auto-recognize function, and the universal I/O grants you flexibility when you would like to set up it. Also, we are providing step and motor driver embedded, and this is a very key features that are saving cost when you are building your system. Another key point is the secure and reliability. We have the file fade feature that you can select directly from the controller, so you are not putting down your controller if you have a failure in your network. The isolated power supply and the isolation also available on the port RS485 is a key advantage when you would like to build your system. And then we are also designing following the higher standard for the cybersecurity. On the connectivity, we are supporting 2 Ethernet ports, the USB-C, and also 2 optisolated RS485. This can grant you a big advantage. And the port CAN FD could be used also to connect with display or inverter. We also talked before about the toolchain. This is a very huge system that allows you to program your controller, but also is the gateway when you would like to set up the connectivity among the different controllers and you would like to set up connectivity to cloud. This is still working, but allows you to be open and to connect also to different type of cloud, not only Danfoss solution, but also third party. Alsmart, as I said, is a starting point of the Danfoss journey to support the global decarbonization. We are delivering some values behind the controller itself, and this is passed to all the software parts that we are delivering with it, the functionality that the hardware can drive itself, the application and libraries that can be tested and explored in our portal, and the connectivity side that is well spread and also configured in the system. Then we will need to mention also the platform and the portals that are available behind the controller that you can use to connect and exploit all the Danfoss know-how and use it for bring up the best knowledge of the controller itself. So I would like to thank you. And if you have a question or would like to know more about our controller, you can visit us in the Hall 7.